My crowd get out. New J file, my members when I get on, I ain't just rapping. AIP, time to stop.
YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy Hemi Beats, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. Let me go ahead and roll these windows up so we can get right into the video. Basically, on today's video, as y'all can see, it's a pretty good day today. So I figured since I'm already out, I'm fresh off work. Why? But first, I will stop and I will be getting this car cleaned up for once because it's been raining non-stop and the weather has just been real shitty. Look at this motherfucker here. Okay, I think he do YouTube too. That's the crazy part. I think that's that same Blue Super V that do YouTube too. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my car cleaned up because my car looks like shit, as y'all can. Well, you probably can't even see through the camera. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this motherfucker cleaned up because this car is dirty. Then I'm making it happen, man. That Tesla look crazy. That Tesla clean as hell. But yeah, so y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get that for y'all. I'm gonna probably do some little B-roll footage when I get to the car wash. Yada yada, talk to y'all some more. And yeah.
Now I probably shit on the school in the back. They still never see the dollars. Hey, I'm 15.
Shit. Y'all ain't seen nothing. Alright? Y'all ain't seen nothing, alright? We had to not run it, but we made that line. On camera, we made it. No doubt about it.
Me or they bread. Look at my eyes, I know that they red. I'm smoking the dead and I'm
man, I don't know what's going on. Hold on, maybe I might got a Ben Black. I said Ben Black. Ben back. Hold on, I gotta go to the gas station. I'm finna shoot this video for y'all, man. Hold on. Bear with me. We having technical difficulties, not with the car, but with me. Y'all get what I'm saying. Y'all see them whip skills, man? Them is A1 whip skills. A1. I got my keys on me. Look, y'all. Kill switch. Kill switch wherever I go. It don't matter where I'm at. I'm using my kill switch. Y'all, my car is so dirty, bro. So dirty. So dirty. Y'all can see, look at that. Look at all the dirty rain. But I'm gonna go take care of some business, y'all. I will be right back, man. Alright, y'all. We are in the car wash right now. Then after I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead, use a little towel, wipe it off. Don't worry, I know I'm not supposed to be in here because it scratches, swirls, whatever, yada 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 yada. Either or, the motherfucker had to get clean, so whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the car down when I get up out of here. Big panoramic roof, man. It's crazy. And also, y'all, new steering wheel. You know how the new SRTs got the suede white stitching? Yeah. I'm not even gonna say no more. Just make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Turn on that post bell notification so y'all don't miss a drop. I can't make this up. Do not miss this. Do not miss this drop. Do not miss this build because it's everything. I'm starting to finally get done with everything. I wish when I ordered that bumper it would have came in. I wish I could have got that bumper, bro, because that would have made this car look so crazy with that bumper. But I'm gonna just wait for it to come back and start, and we gonna go from there. I already vacuumed and cleaned the inside out, as y'all can see. Super clean down there, everything wiped down. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Alright, y'all, so got the car all somewhat nice and clean to, I guess, was somewhat decent. Hopefully y'all can hear me, because as y'all can see, I'm by a busy street. So, but I got a little microphone, so it shouldn't pick up too much of that. But like I said, got the car all cleaned up. I ain't really go too big on the detail because I ain't really go too big on the clean because I am getting it detailed this weekend, because I'm supposed to be going to I told my homie that I'll pull up to his boy prom send off. They trying to bring out some cars, so I'm gonna go ahead and shoot some content there too. So yeah, so I want to get the car detailed before that actually. So, but this is already 4:25. Just wanted to give y'all a quick walk around of the car, and yeah, we're gonna get right into it, man. Alright, y'all. Enough playing around, man. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Enough is enough. We're gonna go ahead and get to it. And we're doing traction on. Traction off, y'all. Hey man, shut up. I get it. I get it. I'm gonna pick the camera back up when something more exciting is happening. Y'all, I need some scat seats, or I need some scat seats basically. I want some yeah, I definitely want some scat seats. It's time. I low-key want a Tesla screen too, but that ain't really a thing. But the most I would probably change in here for right now, it's definitely these seats. I'd definitely get some scat seats, or some RT seats, or some Dodge Charger. You know, y'all know the little bucket seats in general. So yeah, it's a whole lot of people out, man. But make sure y'all turn that post bell notification on, so y'all don't miss a drop, man. Like I keep saying, y'all do not want to miss it, man. I'm trying to have this channel go up. Actually, I'm on my road to I'm on the road to 5K, and then matter of fact, I'm really on the road to 10K, man. So make sure y'all fuck with the videos. Y'all been going crazy lately, and for the views and the algorithm and all of that stuff, comments, views, the consistency. So man, y'all just keep running it up for me, and I'm gonna keep this content rolling for y'all.
Smoke with us, you better be a cancer, cut it out. What is that? Spending niggas handing, taking the post, me bitch, get out. I ain't even hit that bitch. I'm the artist at the door, you better not think I'm taking it. I won't enter in your club if I can't bring my weapon in. Hey, fuck all of that talking, bitch, you got some money. A 50 ball on your head, shit. Trying to get back, cause they was dead first. Same nigga talk about cases.
bricks on that bitch, boy. Hella brickianas, boy. One of them bitches falling, pap somebody's shit up, it's over with. Let me not make sure I'm behind folks. That bitch hit a bump, that motherfucker brick cracker. Come on, man. I don't want to be behind this nigga, man. These slow driving ass cars. Look at that whole gap right there, bro. Damn. Oh my God. Bro, what the fuck is these niggas doing, G? I'm finna get in my bully mode in a second. I'm trying to be cool. I'm trying to be real, y'all haters.
Red light camera ahead.
Thank you.
Where you at? Want you dead? Them killers on your head. Put 30 on that man. Do his ass so dirty.
Underpass. Underpass.
Take a stand. Nigga, I've been drilling off since I was 10 more bands. Ain't never slid a you leave right out that bitch. When I shoot you in your shit. I'm not off no more time I do, they call it a dick. Catch a Hellcat in the hood, it ain't mad, that bitch get flipped.
So y'all can see we got the three screaming. Screaming back here. Y'all gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get active, man. I got a couple shots that I wanna give y'all. Some footage that I wanna give y'all. And we gonna have a fun time back here. One time for the old time's sake. They gonna have some fun back here, man. Then go ahead, close on out this video, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. And I'ma keep repeating myself until y'all do it. Matter of fact, pause this video and do it right now, man. What is y'all waiting for, man? Don't miss these drops.